Welcome back to the Woolshed.
I'm Chanelle and this is Damien.
And today we're taking on a mammoth task.
We've got this giant wall that's sheep slat inspired from the Woolshed.
We spent a lot of time rendering it and painting it. After a time away, it started to fall apart.
Just a tap of the hand, it would just completely fall off the wall.
It's not a Resene product, the render, at all. It was an inferior product. So we jumped onto Facebook Marketplace and we found a whole heap of chipboard for $5 a sheet.
So for the wall, we got two ideas for inspiration. The first one was the woolshed flooring.
And the second idea came from tukutuku. It's patterns that you usually see inside a marae, and so we decided we wanted to have that in our home.
So with our design approach sorted, it's time to get to work. It took T hours cutting each slat on the table saw to create each panel to stick onto the wall. We just pinned them up. It was the easiest and fastest way for us to do it, otherwise it would have taken us forever. So with all the sheep slat design and wall all completed, we're ready to get painting, and first it's time to prime. So to prime these walls, we're using the Resene Quick Dry Primer. We decided to use that because we want to try and finish this wall today, and that is the one that dries, obviously, the quickest. It's in the name.
Every little slat's got 3 sides.
Yeah, I know. I'm feeling like this is going to take a while.
So we're basing our top coat off our archway colour, and the archway colour is Resene Persian Red.
So you'd think choosing a colour would be super easy, but there were so many beautiful colours to choose from.
After a voting situation, our audience chose a certain colour, and what's it called?
Resene Burnt Crimson.
Resene Burnt Crimson. And if it doesn't work out, it's your guys' fault.
The approach is we're going to try use the new spray gun that we've got.
What's the worst that could happen? Let's give it a crack. I quite like it.
But I like it.
Yeah, I like it. I really actually like it.
The colour that our audience chose when we first opened up the can looked a little bit on the sketchy side, but once applied and seeing it on the wall, holy crap, it looks epic.
We love it. We didn't realise that the drop sheet wasn't against the wall and we accidentally got our carpet as well.
We?
Oh no, our carpet.
I know, it's all right.
I accidentally got the carpet.
Yeah, no we about this, mate. After an epic day, we get to stare back at this wall and we love it. It's huge, it's grand, it's beautiful and super rich.
We're another step closer to finishing our woolshed renovation journey.
Fully stoked, eh?
Really stoked with it.
Epic.